guys, welcome to another episode of DIY Saturday. DIY Saturday is officially back. I am so excited for DIY Saturday. Make sure you're following all my social media sites as well as Savvy Naturalista social media sites if you would like to pick up Miracle Glow Oil, which you can find at savvynaturalista.com. We are launching a new product, which I'm really excited. We're launching lip balm, and the lip balm will contain a special additive that I won't get into yet. I will do a whole video on my Savvy Naturalista channel so you guys can know about the beautiful lip balm. So today we're making an easy birthday cake body scrub or a birthday cake sugar scrub recipe. If you would like to know what happened with DIY Saturday, make sure you're following me on my vlog channel where I rant just a little bit about what happened with DIY Saturday, why I decided to keep it on this channel, and all the other details behind that. So thanks so much for watching, and let's get into this DIY. So today we're making an easy birthday cake body scrub. I find this to be a really sweet cakey scent because we are using a fragrance oil, and you guys are just gonna love this birthday cake body scrub. So let's get started. We're gonna start off with a heaping cup of sugar. Now to that we're gonna add a half a cup of sugar, but this is a quarter cup, so I'm gonna add this twice. Now you want to add your additives. So my additives for this is going to be glycerin. So we're going to add 20 drops of glycerin. To that we're going to add our Miracle Glow Oil. Now you can find Miracle Glow Oil at savvynaturalista.com. Miracle Glow Oil does have 24 karat gold in it, and I also got new labels and packaging for Miracle Glow Oil. I'm actually going to leave some links or comments down below if you guys would like me to sell other things on the site exclusively. Please let me know. I'm really excited for DIY Saturday to be on this channel, and we're going to use 20 drops of Miracle Glow Oil. If you would like me to sell a smaller bottle that will cost cheaper so you can try it, please let me know in the comments down below, you guys. So to this, you want to mix this up. So we're just going to mix this up until our Miracle Glow Oil and our glycerin is combined. So now that our additives are combined, you guys, you want to take your coconut oil, or you can use castor oil. Many of you know I love to use castor oil. For all you guys who are sleeping on castor oil, get on it. And you want to add about 3/4 a cup. However, I'm going to add a quarter cup 3 times because for some odd reason, I don't know where my 3/4 cup is. Or what do they call it? A 7/5 of a cup? I don't know. You know. So you want to make sure all that's in your scrub. And we're going to mix this together until it's combined. Now that that is combined, we're going to add our fragrance oils. Now we're not going to add a lot of fragrance oils. We're going to add just a little bit, so you really don't have to measure this out. This is an easy DIY for anyone to use in their everyday life. However, if you would like to sell this, I do suggest you weighing this out. So what we're going to do is use a fragrance oil. We're going to use 30 drops of birthday cake fragrance oil. So you want to make sure you count the drops you use. Now with 30 drops of birthday cake fragrance oil, you want to mix that in, and if it doesn't smell to your liking and you want a stronger birthday scent, then go ahead and add more drops of birthday cake fragrance oil. But before I let you guys know, you will have to add that same amount of vanilla stabilizer because birthday cake fragrance oil does have a vanilla scent or a vanilla type of fragrance. They add vanillin in the birthday cake fragrance oil. You will need a vanilla stabilizer, and you want to add the same ratio amount. So what I'm going to do is add 30 drops of vanilla stabilizer to this birthday cake fragrance oil. So you want to add the same amount of vanilla stabilizer that you do your fragrance oil, you guys. Now I will say that when you do add the vanilla stabilizer, it may smell a little bit like ammonia, kind of funky, but don't worry about it, you guys. That's just sort of something that it does smell like. You don't have to worry about it. It's not gonna over potent the birthday cake fragrance oil. Like if you're new to DIYs and making skincare items, it's not gonna potent it at all. So I wouldn't worry about it. And look how luscious it looks already. It's so fluffy. Yeah, I wouldn't worry about it at all, you guys. It smells perfect to me. It smells good. So now the fun part, you want to add sprinkles. I'm using candy sprinkles. This is a sugar scrub, so if you have any problems with using candy sprinkles, these are sort of like jojoba beads, except they're not plastic beads. They actually melt in the shower. So it's actually a great exfoliant for the skin, and it won't make your skin sticky. So I've never had a trouble with adding sprinkles to my skincare items in this sprinkle. Now, if you're new to adding sprinkles, like sugar sprinkles to your skincare items, I suggest you start off with about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons and then work your way up. So we're just gonna add 2 tablespoons, and because I'm giving it away as a gift to friends who have already tried this scrub, I'm gonna tend to add a frequent amount, but I suggest you start off with a tablespoon of sprinkles, you guys. And then you just want to mix that in. I will say when you mix it in and you stir it in beautifully, you won't have to worry about your sprinkles melting into your oils. I know a lot of you are going to ask, well, will it stain the birthday cake? Will it stain the birthday cake scrub? No, it will not. It will not smear it. It will not stain it as it would if it was a watery scrub. The colors will not bleed. You guys, finally I got the word. The colors won't bleed in this birthday cake fragrance oil. This birthday cake body scrub. So they will not bleed. So you don't have to worry about that, you guys. And this is the perfect scrub you can use for your body. So let's mix it in, and there you have it. Your easy birthday cake body scrub is officially done, you guys. Let me do a close-up. It looks like a beautiful fluffy cloud, and let's do a close-up. So this is what it looks close up like. Doesn't it look beautiful? Oh my god, it looks so gorgeous. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this easy birthday cake body scrub DIY. If you are using birthday cake fragrance oil and 30 drops is not enough, please add more, and make sure you add extra vanilla stabilizer when you're adding it. So if you add 40 drops of birthday cake fragrance oil, please add 40 drops of vanilla stabilizer. You want to continue your ratios, the same ratios you add to your birthday cake body scrub with the fragrance oil, the same ratios you have to add with the vanilla stabilizer. And this is just to ensure that your beautiful white fluffy cloud body scrub does not turn brown. So you guys, thanks so much for watching DIY Saturday. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you support Miracle Glow Oil, which you can find at savvynaturalista.com. I will see you guys in my next DIY skincare video. I hope you enjoy it on the new channel with all my vlogs. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next episode. Bye, you guys.